Hello, hello. Good. What's your name po? How old are you? 5 years old. What are you gonna do today?
Dancing.
Dancing! Are you ready? Ready! Palakpakan po natin contestant 159.